Hi guys, it's Warehouse Wednesday, and guess where I'm at? The Warehouse. Disney Character Warehouse store located at the Vineland Premium Outlets in Orlando, Florida. They sell Disney items from the park at sometimes 50 to 75% off if you're lucky, but 50% off definitely. And this is new items that are from the park, so it's not like it's old merchandise. So I go in there, I film it, I show you what's there, and it's exciting. It's just really exciting. So if you like that kind of content, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. That helps grow my number and my channel.
We almost broke our back and
No new Doonies. Start right over here at the Halloween stuff, and that's the old thing. They've got the medallions here now. Which four do you get? Mickey, Minnie, Goofy, and Donald. Oh, that's a good thing to remember. So they still have Halloween. It's gone down in price. $9.99 for the cauldron. So yeah, the prices have definitely gone down. And the ghosts are $7.99. When they first got here, they were $19.99. $12.99. A little bit cheaper. I'd get that for OBI. Oh, look at this. It's a little costume. Isn't that cute? $14.99. These t-shirts, $14.99. I don't remember seeing these before. Iron Groot. Yeah, that was $19.99 when it first came out. $14.99 for the ears. Yeah, there's the cookie jar for $7.99 now. Yep. $7.99. Look at the casserole dish. $19.99. Only got a few of them. The mixing bowls, $19.99. Alright, so we seen this pillow, $10. Originally $40 in the park, and this is the new Bambi collection that just came out. Oh, they got some phone cases, but I think you have to have a Disney 8 or iPhone 8. Okay, they've got some new racks here. Hey Donna, you want a fuzzy coat?
yes, if it would fit.
Alright, kids' clothes. They've got some autograph books here for $8.99. This is the Tiana collection still out here. Oh no, this one's a princess. I thought I seen Joy somewhere. Maybe I didn't. It's a princess collection. They still have Winnie the Pooh night lights and cake pans, or Tigger cake pans. They got a lot of little girls' clothes and oh look at that little skirt. I wonder if I could buy a couple of them for me. Oh, and look at the Bambi dresses out too. So a lot of the Bambi collection is out. Maybe that flower sweater will be here. Men's clothes.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so they have the Epcot collection here. They do have some Disney dresses, not many.
The price 30.
The train is still here for $80. Oh, and look at here, they're going to let you do it to where you can do engraving tags too. They have some pins here. Mickey miniature edition. $14.99. Star Wars.
No? I don't know. No?
$6.99. Okay, they have a couple other of the main attractions. Big Thunder Mountain and Peter Pan. Pop sockets, I think they're $7.99. Yes. Mickey main attractions, I said they were $14.99. And some Christmas pins. Okay, Marvel pins, $6.99. They have quite a few of them. Holiday Christmas pins, $8.99. Alright, I'm not sure. It's a charm. It's called a big charm. $5.99. $6.99. Aw, this one's pretty. This one's $8.99. More holiday pins. Limited edition pins. More pins. So the Christmas is still here. There's the pajamas. They're just restocking them back up. So they have some candles. What are they going for? $9.99. I think it's a 3-wick candle. 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3-wick candle. Mugs. I don't see anything new here. Cold relief bags are still here, along with the visors. Tank tops still here. They got some swimsuit bottoms.
Here, baby, we gotta go
Lots
now.
of leggings. And regular sweatpants. More sweatpants. Another new rack over here. Some of the same clothes that they've had. It's just they moved them around. Want some kettle corn? $1.99. And more doonies. Alright guys, that was the Disney Character Warehouse store. It was crowded, it was busy, and it's a Wednesday. Didn't they get the memo? Wednesday is Warehouse Wednesday. I come in there, don't come here. Just kidding. That's just how I have to do it. Just have to go around people, but hopefully I got enough for you. Hope you enjoyed it. As always guys, thank you for being there, and I love you all. Bye.